this is Katina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play Scooby-Doo, Where Are You? This is a beast of a key signature. It's in the key of B, and since we play a B-flat clarinet, we have to transpose it up a whole step, putting us in the key of C sharp. So I moved it to the N harmonic, which is D flat, because I thought 5 flats was better than 7 sharps. Now, we're not going to go over the break, so I'm still going to count this as a beginner tutorial, even though it has a scary looking key signature. It's good practice for us. All right, we are going to start on an F. So it's right here in the back is F, and then we're going to drop these 2 fingers in the front and the side right here for an E flat, and then we have a D flat. So I'm going to go ahead and play that much. Like that. And then we have E flat, back up to the F. Now we're going to a B flat right here, B flat, A flat. Back up to the F, then E flat right there, E flat, and D flat. I'll play that whole phrase. We'll be playing that A flat a lot. So a little bit of a review, you have B flat, you drop these 2 fingers, and it's that top pinky closest to you for A flat. All right, we're gonna almost play the beginning again. So we have F, F, E flat, D flat, just like we did, E flat, F, but now we have a G flat. We also know this as an F sharp. So I'm gonna play that much. Now go back to this B flat, A flat, F, E flat, D flat. We're going to play almost the beginning again. So it repeats a lot, the Scooby-Doo song. All right, so we've got F, E flat, D flat, B flat. Oops, sorry, this is an E flat. And then we're going to go up to the F, then to the B flat again, B flat, A flat, A flat, A flat. Let's just do that much. Up to the F, E flat, F again. Now we have a pickup to a phrase that's the exact same one as the second phrase. That's that one with the G flat in it. So it's going to go like this. A flat, F, E flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat right there. So I'll just play that much. Now B flat, A flat, F, E flat, D flat. And that one we've actually done 3 times in a row, that ending of the F, E flat, D flat. So you'll be really good at that one, starting on the B flat. So I'm going to play that all the way through for you, starting on the F. So that's the first half. There is a little B section where we get to play the fun side G flat. If you want me to do a video of that one, comment below. I'll do the second half. But when I post the music up on Musescore, I'll post the whole thing that I arranged. Thanks for watching. Comments, questions, post them below. Bye.